Welcome to 1038 Matthew Court, a beautifully updated one-level townhome offering comfort, convenience, and low-maintenance living. Featuring 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths, this home showcases an open layout with wood flooring and fresh paint throughout, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. The living room flows seamlessly into the eat-in kitchen, complete with a new refrigerator, microwave, and garbage disposal. A dedicated laundry room includes a washer and dryer that convey with the home for added convenience. The primary bedroom features a private attached bath, while the second bedroom offers direct access to the rear brick patio, perfect for relaxing or enjoying outdoor space. Additional highlights include a 1-car garage with a brand new opener and keypad, a newer roof installed in January 2025, and an in-home sprinkler system for added safety and peace of mind. Conveniently located.